Ripple faces SEC pressure for financial transparency in ongoing dispute as the United States Securities and Exchange Commission seeks to compel Ripple to release its financial accounts for the years 2022, 23, 2023. The legal struggle that has been going on between the blockchain payments company Ripple, which is domiciled in the United States, and the SEC has taken a new turn, adding another layer of intricacy to a case that was already quite complicated. The regulator submitted the move on Thursday. Ripple XRP versus the XRP Community Sexy Go matchup. Ripple has been ordered to produce its financial accounts for the years 2022, 2023 and its post-complaint contracts that regulate institutional sales. The motion to compel Ripple to produce these documents was submitted by the state of California. The cryptocurrency that Ripple initially produced is not a security. However, certain sales of Ripple that were made under written contracts are considered to be securities. This ruling kickstarted the legal conflict. A shared briefing timetable for remedies after this ruling had been agreed upon by both parties, with the completion of discovery related to remedies having a deadline of February 12, 2024. The most recent motion filed by the SEC, on the other hand, attempts to compel Ripple to disclose the amount of XRP institutional sales revenues that were made after the filing of the complaint for contracts that were entered into before to the beginning of the complaint. Ripple is accused by the SEC of marketing XRP as securities that are not registered. Ripple has been accused by the Securities and Exchange Commission of consistently sell XRP as unregistered securities while simultaneously earning billions of dollars in revenues. As a reaction, Ripple has stated that it intends to continue selling XRP to customers who are described as institutional sales in on-demand liquidity transactions. The company claims that it is able to organize future sales in a manner that is in accordance with federal securities laws. In response to the demands made by the SEC, Ripple submitted a motion for extension of time, requesting a further 2 days until January 19 to develop its answer. The unanticipated prolongation gives the impression that the legal dispute, which has been going on for 3 years, is not even close to being resolved. Both sides are now getting ready for additional courtroom drama in the period that is to come. Additionally, the extension comes after the Securities and Exchange Commission dropped accusations of securities law violation against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen in October of the previous year. Over the course of his career, Garlinghouse has frequently taken a public stance against the Securities and Exchange Commission's commission. In November of the previous year, he made the accusation that the agency had strayed from its primary goal, which is to safeguard investors. Ripple's XRP surges amid SEC hurdles fueled by exchange-traded fund enthusiasm. Ethereum and Ripple's communities anticipate spot ETF approval, adding momentum to speculation. XRP maintains support at 5,784 cents, I-700 cents, showcasing resilience amid regulatory uncertainties. Ripple XRP is making a resurgence as it aims for the 700 cents milestone, overcoming regulatory challenges posed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The recent upswing in the cryptocurrency's value can be attributed to a rebound rally, capitalizing on the positive sentiment surrounding the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. James K. Phelan, defense lawyer, recently posted on X that the SEC requested Ripple's financial statements for 2022 and 23, along with details regarding contracts linked to institutional sales after the initial complaint was filed in December 2020. The CC is seeking disclosure of the proceeds generated from institutional sales since the complaint was lodged, explicitly focusing on pre-complaint contracts. This data is crucial for Judge Torres to assess and determine suitable injunctions and civil penalties for Ripple. Subsequently, the move followed a previous ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres in the Southern District of New York, where she issued a summary judgment that partially favored Ripple. Judge Torres determined that institutional sales of Ripple's XR token were considered an unregistered securities offering, while programmatic sales through cryptocurrency exchanges were not. Prepare for a financial revolution as XRP is on a meteoric rise that may see it reach heights of $1,650 to $2,900 by the end of 2024. This isn't just hyperbolic rhetoric, though. It's based on a big development. The financial titan BlackRock is set to introduce an exchange-traded fund TEF that will leverage its expertise in it. With a remarkable track record of almost every ETF proposal they have submitted being approved, BlackRock's move into XRP is expected to be a game changer. However, there's more. It's not just BlackRock. Grayscale is also entering the market. In addition to proposing an XRP ETF they have included XRP into their cryptocurrency portfolio. This demonstrates the increasing prominence of XRPs and Ripple Labs in the field of global transactions. As the world leader in asset management, BlackRock's foray into cryptocurrencies and Web 3.0 represents a significant change in the way the traditional finance sector views digital currencies. BlackRock has an unstoppable force in the ETF scene with an astounding 99.8 approval rate for ETFs. Their nearly flawless record for ETF approvals is a monument to their unrivaled expertise in navigating the financial market. Seeing the big picture is crucial in this situation. Not only have big financial giants like BlackRock and JP Morgan been observing XRP, but they have also been actively accumulating it. According to sources, including one from a stolen document, these giants may have invested more than 7.5 of their total wealth in XRP. A recently published, carefully researched article even suggested that BlackRock may be turning its entire focus from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a significant change in their investment approach. This move suggests that interest in XRP is growing, which makes the idea of a BlackRock-backed XRP more likely than ever. But what makes this move even more intriguing is a recent development in the XRP saga has begun. There's an XRPP. Its creator is unknown, but it is a crucial step toward the creation of an ETF. Reports indicate that although the XRPT has been launched, it is currently in the pre-release phase and is valued at zero. It is expected to be unveiled any day now. Additional rumors are circulating about the simultaneous launch of an XRP ETF, which would coincide with the debut of both the ETP and the ETF. This parallel release not only makes sense, but also highlights the rapid progress toward the ETF, possibly occurring only a few weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. When we put this into context, especially given that Bitcoin surged to $43,000 even before the ETF launch, the potential for XRP is enormous. We're talking about a potential explosion in the value of XRP, directly paving the way for the launch of an exchange-traded product in a matter of weeks. Unbeknownst to many, Vidil, a titan in the financial world, officially released the XRP exchange-traded product. This means that an ETF is expected to be approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in the near future. In fact, we recently discussed an article that revealed, based on a leaked report from none other than BlackRock, that an ETF for stocks could be imminent. This leak revealed a forthcoming XRPF application. Adding to the enthusiasm, a prominent BlackRock analyst confirmed in public that a BlackRock he had designed particularly for XRP was being launched. They even mentioned the iShares XRP Trust in connection with an ATF filing, which first raised doubt. This is a game-changing development that demonstrates how close we are to witnessing a seismic shift in XRP market presence, possibly matching or even surpassing the movements we've seen with Bitcoin's ETF. I independently verified this, and lo and behold, it's listed right there on the Delaware list of corporations website. Recent studies have revealed a noteworthy development in the cryptocurrency world. BlackRock and JP Morgan have amassed over 7.5 million XRP, which is a definite sign of institutional interest in cryptocurrencies.